Okay, so this is the Great Life memory toy for kids. It basically helps teaches kids about numbers, and it's a nice toy which you can keep it as a showpiece as well as they grow older. Let me remove it and show it to you. You can see a lot of this is the main engine tray, and you have a lot of different numbers 1, 2, 8 and 0 and so on, right? So you can see it's a nice train, and then you can have this at the end, right? Notice the last piece here, it has nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to now set up the train. Virti, what is the smallest number?
1.
Okay, 0 is smaller than 1. Okay, so first we are going to put the 0. Can you please put the 0 on the train? Yeah. Nice. Next you said 1 is the smallest number, right? After 0, 1. Okay, now next number please. Okay, it's 2. After 2, what do you have? What do you? 3.
D.
Can you please connect 2 to 3?
Okay.
Use both your hands. Come on, sit down here, please. Pick up both of them and use both your hands. Okay. After 2, you have 3. Okay, what do you have after 3?
8.
No. Say 1, 2, 3.
And this 5.
Say 1, 2, 3, Virti.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so put the 4 now.
4.
Nice. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then?
5.
Where is the 5?
What's the 5 here?
Okay.
And there's some more 5.
Yeah. Okay, after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So find 6. Find 6 for Papa.
6, 4, 6. This is 6.
No, this is your ulta. It is 9. Where is the 6?
Actually,
Virti, look everywhere.
Catch 6.
Yes, come on.
6.
Okay, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, so put the 7.
The 7?
Do you know what the 7 is? Come on, yes. 7, come on.
What's that? Very good.
Now, come on.
Achisa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then?
9.
No, say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10.
7, after 7 you have?
9.
No. 1, 2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. Come on. 8. 8. Ulto. Yes. 8 and then?
9.
Okay, 9. Come on, put the
This
9.
side?
Yeah, ulto. You are putting it wrong. Ulto. 9. And now your train is ready. Yay. Uh-oh. Come on, here. Do it properly. Yes, it is done. Good job. Now that the train is ready.
And this side.
Oh, we forgot the last one. Come on.
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
Choo-choo.
The train is ready. Yep. It's a nice showpiece that you can keep at your home. Also nice learning toy for kids. Kriti, can you please say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Thank you.